Hi friends, in this video we are going to talk about generators in Snowflake. So we have couple of points to discuss about generators. The first point is that generator is a table value function. So we usually put it in table clause. The second point is it can help us generate number of rows. These rows are virtual rows, or we can say it can help us generate virtual tables. Third point is it does not generate any virtual column for us. And fourth point is it takes two parameters, or we can say two type of parameters. One is row count and second is time limit in seconds. So row count is nothing but the number of row we want it to generate for us, and time limit is duration in time for which it will run, and whatever row it can generate it will bring us back to us. So let's see how it works. So let me write a query. Now let's put table clause, and inside table clause we write generator, and this generator function takes two type of argument. It could be row count or time limit. So let me put row count, and suppose I want to generate 20 row. Let me run this query. So you can see it is giving us one error saying select with no columns. So as I told you earlier that by default it does not give us any column. So if we want to generate any column, we can put it over here. So suppose I want current date. Now let me run it. This is spelling mistake. You can see it has given us 20 rows of current date. Let me give you one more example. There is a function called sequence. It will generate the sequence for us. So let me run it. It's a function, so I have to give the braces. You can see it has generated sequence of 20, 0 to 19. Okay, one more example I can show, that is of row number. If suppose we want to generate the row number, it takes over clause, and in over clause we give order by clause, and as we don't have any column in it, so let's give null. You can see it is giving us row number. Now let me show you the example of time limit. Just simple put time limit over here, and let me mention seconds. Like suppose I want to get all the row generated in 10 seconds, and now let me take count over here. Instead of row number. So let's run this query. So you can see the underlying system is able to generate these many records in this 10 seconds. So I hope friend you like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.